So how do we actually trade Forex? It may seem confusing at first, but really it is quite simple. Forex is a leveraged financial instrument, as is options, futures, CFDs and warrants. So there's nothing new here. You trade Forex in lots. This is basically the industry standard, but there are many brokers out there that I'm aware of that do things slightly differently. Let's take Oanda for example. They trade in units, but don't worry because these can easily be converted into lot size equivalent. Lots are known by different names depending on how much currency they represent. There is a standard lot, a mini lot and a micro lot. One standard lot. Now this represents 100,000 units of the base currency and it's normally expressed like this, 1.0. And then we have a mini lot. Now this represents 10,000 units of the base currency and it's normally expressed like this, 0.1. And finally we've got a micro lot. Now this represents 1,000 units of the base currency and it's normally expressed like this, 0.01. How many lots you can buy and sell depends on your account balance, your nominated trading leverage, and how much you're willing to risk on each trade. Now I'm going to introduce the words margin, leverage, and risk. Now these words are important, but there's no need to get stressed out about them as these can all be controlled, and I'm going to share with you an easy way to stay out of trouble. Margin refers to the money that you have in your account that is available to trade with. As stated earlier, Forex is a leveraged financial instrument, so if your broker offers you 100-to-1 leverage, then for every 1 unit you have in your trading account, you can control up to 100 units in the market. Some traders offer up to 1,000-to-1 leverage, and you have to be careful here because if you're over leveraged on a trade and it goes against you and you decide not to take any action, your broker will close your trade to protect their own interests. The higher the leverage, the more currencies you can control. Now this isn't something that concerns me as my risk is controlled on trades. Risk refers to what you are willing to risk on any trades in terms of Great British pounds or percentage of your account balance. For more great trading related content, head over to the Tips to Pips website and subscribe to our YouTube channel.